welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back. I hope you guys are having an amazing and blessed day. I hope you guys are experiencing the love and the grace of our Father. And yeah, for today's video I have another hair review. This time I am reviewing another wig from Jessie's Wig. If you go through my channel, you're gonna see that I've worked with them a few other times, and honestly their hair is absolutely stunning, and I'm particularly excited for this wig right here. So this wig did not come with a lot of accessories. It only came in the box, the wig itself, and I also got a headband, which is honestly perfectly fine because I always end up having too many of those little things they always add. So the hair, this is how the hair looks like. It's absolutely stunning. I love this texture. Sorry guys. It's super soft and it's super curly. So yeah guys, it already came pre-bleached and pre-plugged, and I'm honestly really excited to try this. Before we jumped into the tutorial part of the video, I wanted to let you guys know that the hair is gonna be linked on my description box, along with any other detail related to the wig and Jessie's wig and all the links that you guys might need, and coupon codes and everything. So make sure you check that out after you watch the video, or whenever you want to do that, but make sure you check it out. So now that I have the wig on, I would say that it's a little bit small for my head. I do have a lot of hair, so probably makes sense why it's feeling a little small on me. But the lace, it's stunning, y'all. Like, this is some transparent lace, baby. So this is what the wig looks like right before I cut anything. Trying to get the perfect fitting so I know exactly where to cut. But yeah, but before I cut anything, I'm gonna go ahead and put some foundation on the inside of the lace so it can match with the rest of my skin. Today I am going to use my Ebine lace spray. You guys know this is my favorite thing ever because it just makes installation and removal so much easier. But I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna do about 3 to 4 layers to make sure I get that extra hold. And I'm gonna start with the middle section, just because it helps, you know, giving that symmetrical direction on the wig kind of thing. I don't know. To glue down the wig, I'm going to use my blow dryer to dry up the Ebine lace spray in every single one of the layers until I get a tacky consistency, which means that the glue is ready for me to glue it. And then I'm gonna use my blow dryer again with a small comb to pretty much press in the lace into my skin. That's what helps the lace to melt down. And as you guys can see, this lace is pretty much transparent, like you can't see it. I absolutely love it. So now that I've glued on the middle part, I'm gonna repeat the same on the sides. I might do it off camera, I might do it in front of you guys, I will see, but I'm back. Would it be? Yeah, yeah. Okay guys, so I just finished gluing my lace down, and I went ahead and I put the elastic band on so it can, like, you know, keep it together, melt it into my skin. And while that's doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and take my wax stick and my hot comb, and I'm gonna start styling the hair. I think I love this, you guys, like literally it looks so good, but I think I'm gonna do a side part. Yeah. So guys, this part of the video I am pretty much just styling the hair. I decided to do a side part, and I curved it a little bit so you can have a little bit of a C shape, something like that. And then I went ahead and I started hot combing the wig so it can look as natural and flat as possible. And after I am done hot combing, I'm going to remove the elastic band and I'm gonna cut the lace. This time I'm going to use some tiny scissors instead of the little razor I usually use. You know, I'm just trying to see what other techniques and tools I can use for these things. I feel like I always use the same thing. After cutting my lace, I am going to use some of the Wig Dealer's melting spray to basically melt down the lace and remove any whiteness that I might get from cutting the lace. After cutting my lace, I am going to use some of the Wig Dealer's melting spray to basically melt down the lace and remove any whiteness that I might get from cutting the lace. And I'm gonna start working on my baby hairs. And guys, honestly, that is all for the video. To style the hair, I'm just gonna spray some water to these curls to, you know, revamp the curls. And you guys, this hair is so gorgeous. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna have all the links, like I said before, in the description box. And yeah, I don't have much to say. Just go ahead and purchase this hair. You guys already know how, you guys already can see how beautiful it is. And yeah, this is everything, and I will see you guys on my next video.